Okay, so hello. This wig is from Kriyya. This is my probably like my third time working with this company, and they always come through with the bomb, curly colored units. Okay, so this particular wig is like the camera is just not doing it justice. It's like an orangey brown. Okay, and I just didn't think that orangey brown would suit me. Okay, but this is what the wig looks like, and it's very much giving the color that I got at the end results on camera, but it's definitely a different color. So it does come with a combs and adjustable straps. Okay, this is a frontal wig, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the wig and soak it in some warm water just to wet the hair strands to make them soft. So because I am gonna go ahead and watercolor this, I am gonna use cinnamon and I'm going to use some mocha. All right, so once the hair has been sitting for about a couple of minutes, I'm gonna take the cinnamon and I'm gonna pour about half of the bottle in there, and then I'm gonna go to take mocha, and then I'm gonna pour about 25% of the bottle in there as well, mix that all together, and just let the wig sit in there to absorb that color. So basically I wanted to keep the undertone of the wig was orange, and I really didn't want that. I wanted a like a copper or a bronze looking wig, and that's exactly what came out after the end of this coloring. Now if you like the wig as it is, you do not have to do the step. You can actually skip the step, but in order for it to suit me and my skin tone, I decided that I wanted to go ahead and do this. Okay, so this is warm tap water from the tap. All right, I'm gonna make sure that it's mixed thoroughly, and I'm just gonna deposit the wig in there. I'm gonna shove it in and out, pull it in and out to make sure that it's going to get inside the wig on every single strand. And that's why you pre-color it, because I notice when your wig is dry and you just dip it into the watercolor, the coloring job is usually blotchy. And so yeah, so this is what it looks like after I washed it, deep conditioned it, let it sit 5 minutes in the watercolor. And we're just gonna go ahead and we're going to do some baby hairs. So I'm spray the hairline with some water, and this mousse is curl mousse from Cantu. I love using this. I use it in every single video. And so I'm gonna just go ahead and pull out some baby hairs. I like to pre-pull out baby hairs because one, I take pictures of my wigs, and then two, it's just easier when it comes time for me to install. So after I pull out the baby hairs, I'm going to take my razor and just cut them down. I don't cut them too short because I like to leave them a little bit long, because if I cut them too short and then I go to apply the wig, it'll look crazy. So I like to cut them a little bit longer, and then when I apply the wig, if they're too long, I will cut them while they're on my face, all right? And so once they're cut, I mold them down with some foam and, well, mousse, and then I'll do that to both sides. So after the hairline is done, I'm going to take my Got To Be spray, and I like to spray the hairline just to make sure that it's flat and it'll stay in its position that I put it in. And I like to wrap it down with the saran strips, the rapid strips, because I do put my wigs under the dryer to help them dry faster. All right, so in order to get these curls popping, I'm gonna spritz the hair with some water, use that same mousse, and then just comb it through. And at this point, I'll just sit it under the dryer to let it fully dry. And this is what the wig looks like when it was fully dried. So I don't know, like I said, the color is not coming out the color that it actually is, but like this is a brown at this point. Like it's a true brown. It's giving copper, like, you feel me? So I absolutely love the color. So let's go ahead and do the install. Okay, so I'm gonna do a glueless install with this one as well, because you guys know I always interchange my wigs so much. So glueless installs have become my best friend. All right, this wig is big head friendly. I did not have any problems. I am a size 22.5, 23 when it comes to circumference. So if you're around that, you can definitely fit this wig. Okay, so I'm gonna take my even spray and I'm gonna spray in sections just to make sure that this wig stay down. And I like to spread it out with my fingers, like, because if it's too much in one area, I spread it out and then I lay the lace down, and then I'll go ahead with the blow dryer and just blow dry it in place. But you see me holding the lace in place while I'm blow drying, because this is not a sticky formula, especially if you apply your wigs like I apply mine. Like, I don't have time to spray in layers. Like, girl, I'm gonna do one spray, call it a day, spread it out, lay the lace down, blow dry it down, boom, we done. So after I blow dry it down, I'm going to go ahead and pin my baby hairs back so I could go ahead and cut off the excessive lace. And once the lace is cut off, I'm going to use my spritz and my edge brush to lay my edges down. I so loved this color on me. I want this color in straight hair, actually. This is so bomb. So let's take the elastic band and the even spray the hairline, wrap the hairline down. So make sure that everything is melted and all the lace is laid down. And then from this point, I'm gonna just go ahead and make sure that the hairline looks good. Add some makeup to the center of my parting, fluff out the hair a bit, give it some shape, and that's basically the end of this video, you guys. Now, like I said, me water and coloring this wig didn't do a lot. It just changed the tone of the wig. It kind of darkened the wig a little bit so I could feel comfortable, and you know, it looks nice on my skin tone, because like I said, like the orangey color that it was before just wasn't like suiting me. So you can leave it as is. You feel me? The wig did come pre-plucked, so you did not have to do that. I did not bleach the knots on this because this already is a bleached unit. And yes, the knots were brown, but because it's a curly bleached unit, I felt like if I bleached the knot, it would add some stress to the wig to where it would, you know, go ahead and shed and I did not want that. So I did not get shedding from this wig, and I hope I did say that this cap was big head friendly, but it was cute. Okay, if this was longer and fuller, I need this longer and fuller. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down below in the description, no, the comment section, okay? And I will be down there to answer them. Everything that I use in this video will be in the description box for you guys, and if you're interested in this hair, it will also be down there for you. All right, until next time, bye best friends.